DG, Advocate Carlos Alvarez, आमचे उपाध्यक्ष बाब अग्नेय फर्नांडीस, आमचे मीडिया सेलाचे चेअरमॅन बाब अमरनाथ पंडीकर, आमचे दुसरे वाईस प्रेसिडेंट बाबा बाकर, आमचे पणजेचे लीडर आपले मेयर बाब उदय मडकेकर आणि आज जॉईन झाले आमचे बाब अमन लुके. आज आमचे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. गोंयच्या लोकांचेर आणि गोंयकारांचेर बीजेपीन केल्लो एक फ्रॉड. बीजेपीन गोंयच्या लोकांक फटयलें ते एक अनेक ह्यो फ्रॉड आमी आयज एक्सपोज करपाचे आसा. एडवोकेट कार्लोस आल्वारीस त्या संदर्भात सगळं डिटेल उलयतलो. तेजे पयलीं एक स्टेटमेंट करपाक सोदता. भारतीय जनता पक्षान गोंयांक आपली हार मान्य केल्ली आसा. कारण जेन्ना बीजेपी हरता हें दिसता त्या टायमार तांकां देव आनी धर्म आनी देवळां हेंची याद जाता. जो स्टेटमेंट मुख्यमंत्र्यान केलो मंदिरां बांदपाचो, तुम्ही मंदिरां बांदात, पूण इलेक्शनाच्या पयलीं 10 वर्सां तुम्ही मंदिराचेर कांयच उलयलें ना. आनी सारखे इलेक्शन पावतकर जेन्ना तुमगेलें फ्रस्ट्रेशन वाडटा, when BJP gets frustrated because they lose the ground, people are running away from them because of their failure. Now they want to bring something to confuse the people and to do some polarization. But the Goans are very smart. Goan understand what every government is doing and what this government has done during last 10 years. There are several failures of this government and government is mum on that. Government does not even speak. When the Prime Minister comes, Prime Minister don't speak on those issues. The present Chief Minister does not speak on those issues. And when these issues are very relevant to the Goans and very close to Goans, then they don't speak, they find a solution. They don't even try to resolve those issues. Just to name a few, the petrol and diesel prices, see the inflation overall. As सामान्य मनीस struggle करता survive करता. Government has no reply to this. No, they are not responding to this. The people are suffering, but government is mum on that. Common man has demanded to reduce the petrol prices, diesel prices. Government has no agenda. The unemployment. So Goa is the second highest in unemployment. Lot of Goans, parents, they are under tension. One side the jobs are sold to the highest bidder. The youths, they are applying for the job, no reply. The answer papers are kept blank so that only one who pays, though he gets passed. So there is another frustration. We have filed complaints. Only 2 departments. They have cancelled one written exam after our intervention, and they have only kept on hold about PWD. There are all other departments, the illegalities are going on. Environmental destruction, the people are opposing, no response from the government, not even a statement from the Prime Minister. There is economic recession, सगळ्याच्या धंद्यांक मंदी आयिल्ली आसा, people are suffering. दाखलो बिझनेसमॅन सुद्धा काबार जाल्लो आसा, ह्या हेजेर उलयना. The rapes and the law and order, completely government has failed on this. The financial position of the state, we are into financial emergency. The total liabilities of the government has crossed to 26,000 crores and government has no action plan to resolve this. And government is avoiding to speak this. आमचो मुख्यमंत्री ह्या विशयाचेर उलोवपाकूच सोदना, कारण तेंचे कडेन एजेंडा क्लियर करना, ते गोंयांक मुखार व्हरपाक सोदना. So when they have lost the ground, in order to recall all the losing ground, government आज लोक पयस गेल्ले आसा, तांकां आतां हाडपाक तेंचे कडेन एकूच उरता, ते म्हणजे मंदिर विशय. सो हांगा मंदिर विशयाचो इशू काडून गव्हर्नमेंटान प्रूव्ह केल्लें आसा की दॅट दे हॅव फेल्ड कंप्लिटली, इवन आफ्टर गिविंग देअर progress report of last 10 years. Nowhere you will find the issue about the temple in that report also. So why the chief minister has raised this issue? Is now they are desperate. They know they are losing. They have seen the people's sentiment. They have seen all various surveys that they are losing desperate. So this is the last attempt they are making. पण आमचे सगळे हिंदू भाव, हिंदू भयणी जे आसात ते सगळे सेक्युलर आसात आणि ते विचार करतात. भारतीय जनता पक्ष हो हिंदूच्या विरोधात, हिंदू धर्माक मानना हो पक्ष, हिंदूच्या देवांकूय हो पक्ष मानना. फक्त इलेक्शन आसता तेन्ना हिंदूचे देव याद जातात, हिंदूची देवळां याद जातात. हांव तांकां चॅलेंज करता. 2012 दिगंबर कामत गव्हर्नमेंट आशिल्लो, led by Manohar Parrikar and entire BJP team. प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात ते देवळान गेल्ले आणि देवळान घराणी घातलेली MOI ची इशूचेर. आणि हांव याद करून दिता सगळ्यांक मुद्दम जावन, कारण तुम्ही हांगा हिंदू भडकावपाक सोदतात धार्मीक हे हाडून मतां खातीर फ्रस्ट्रेट जावन. पूण हांव याद करून दिता की प्रत्येक गोंयच्या मनशाक खबर आसा, खास करून आमचे हिंदू भाव आसा तांकां, कारण ह्या मतां खातीर खंयच्या लेवलाचेर वयतले. परत देवळांक, त्या देवळान घराणी घातलेली, त्या देवळान तुम्ही कित्याक गेले ना ते पयलीं गोंयच्या लोकांक सांगा. जी तुम्ही घराणी घातलेली ती दिगंबर कामत सरकाराक भायर मारा, कारण ताणें आमची संस्कृती काबार केल्या. इंग्लीश माध्यमाक प्राधान्य दिल्लें आसा. फायनान्शियल असिस्टंट जो आसा एडेड स्कुलाक तो इंग्लीश शिकपाक दिल्लो आसा, कारण बहुजन समाजा खातीर हो निर्णय काँग्रेस सरकारान घेतलेलो. बहुजन समाजाच्या भुरग्यां खातीर तांणी इंग्लीश शिक्षण हो निर्णय घेतलेलो. पूण कोणी विरोध केलो? भारतीय जनता पक्षान. खंय वचून विरोध केलो? हिंदूच्या देवळांनी वचून विरोध केलो. हिंदूची देवळां आनी देव हिंची जी एक भावना आसा लोकां भितर, जे देवाक मानतात, हिंदू धर्मातले जे लोक देवाक मानतात, तांकां दिसता जेन्ना तूं घराणी घालता थंय एक पावित्र आसता आनी घराणी घालतकर ती पावन करपाची आसता. तुम्ही घराणी घातली, तुमचं सरकार आयलो, त्याच्या नंतर जे माध्यम तुम्ही सांगलेले देवाक वचून घराणी घालून की आम्ही परत आमची धार्मिक जी संस्कृती जी आसा सगळी ती कोंकणी आणि मराठीन आसा, ती भाषा आम्ही परत हाडटलो. ती तुम्ही हाडली काय ना ते परत वचून त्या ज्या ज्या देवळां तुम्ही घराणी घातलेली थंय पयलीं सांगात आणि मागीर मंदिराचेर उलयात. तुमकां मंदिराचेर उलोवपाक कसलोच अधिकार ना, तुमकां हिंदू देवांचेर उलोवपाक कसलोच अधिकार ना. तुम्ही हिंदू देवाक फटयल्ले आसा आणि प्रत्येक गोंयचे जनतेन 8 वर्सां हे परत 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 आम्ही याद करून दिल्ले आसा. गोंयचे लोक विसरलेले ना. कदाचित त्या हयात ना, त्या ज्यांनी लीड घेतलेली, आमचो बाब पर्रीकरय हयात ना, बाब आमचो विष्णू वाघूय हयात ना, आमचो तो साखळेचो कावन्सिलर गाडी तोही हयात ना. पूण लोक विसरलेले ना. पयलीं तुम्ही त्या देवळां वसात, तुम्ही देवाक सांगात आमची घराणी घातलेली, ते आमची चूक जाली, माफी मागा देवा कडेन की आम्ही देवाक फटयलो म्हणून, आणि त्याच्या नंतर ह्या देवळांचेर आनी देवांचेर उलयात. तुमकां कसलोच अधिकार ना. तुम्ही देवाक फटयल्ले आसा, लोकांक फटयले ते फटयले, तुम्ही देवाक फटयल्ले आसा. आणि परत हो धार्मीक इशू रेज करून हांगा इलेक्शना टायमार इलेक्शन जिखपाचो प्रयत्न करनाका. तुमकां लोकूय माफ करपाना आनी तुमकां हिंदू धर्माचे सगळे देवूय तुमकां केन्नाच माफ करचे ना. तुम्ही फटींग म्हणून देवाकूय खबर आसा. आनी ह्या सगळ्या जरी जरी लोकांनी पळयल्लें सगळें आसा तें सगळें खबर आसा. सो मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन मागता पयलीं जाहीर करचें 2012 तुमी देवळांनी वचोन घरांनी घातलेली तेजेर कितें जालें आनी तेजेर तुमचें स्पश्टीकरण कितें आसता तुमी पयलीं सांगा आनी तेजे नंतर देवळाचो इशू त्या वयर काडा. आमची जे मेन प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आशिल्लें तें जो इशू काँग्रेस पक्षान घेतलेलो ओल्ड गोवा हेरिटेज स्ट्रक्चराचेर जेजेर ज्यो इलिगलिटीज आशिल्ल्यो पयलीं आमी इलिगल परमिशन घेतलें ते सगळें आमी एक्सपोज केलें आमी प्रोटेस्टूय केल्यो. तेजे नंतर थोडे पार्टी येयले आनी तेजे मुखार रावल्यो आनी तो घेतले होर्डिंग लायली तेजे सगळें क्रेडीट घेवपाचे प्रयत्न केले. पूण आमकां क्रेडीट घेवपाचें ना. आमकां गोंयकारांक आनी गोंयची जनतेक न्याय दिवपाची गरज. थंय कशें करून फ्रॉड जालें की जमनीचो जो मालक आशिल्लो ताणें ती जमीन विकली तेजे नंतर ताणी कशी फ्रॉड्स केली टू गेट द वेरियस परमिशन्स. हाव दे हॅव चीटेड द पीपल ऑफ गोवा अँड द गोवन्स on this issue. Now over to our advocate Kaluswamy.
Good afternoon to all of you. सगळे गोंय उठल्यार ओल्ड गोवाचे इलिगल स्ट्रक्चर तेजेर प्रोटेस्ट करपाक आमी पासून हावदांचे गेल्ले अमरनाथ बाग आनी आमी गेल्ले थिंगा प्रोटेस्ट करपाक आनी सांगले आमी तामसना ते कंस्ट्रक्शन डिमोलिश जायना पासून आनी काँग्रेस पार्टी सद्दां फाटी आशिल्ले आमी कितें करूं जाय कोर्टां वचपाक. लास्ट टायम 3-4 दीस फाटी लास्ट वीक हांव थिंगा आशिल्ले तेन्ना ओल्ड गोवा सांगलो तेन्ना प्रेसा सांगलें की हांव एक कन्फर्मेशन करून मागीर हांव एक्शन घेतलें म्हणून कित्याक अनऑफिशियल डॉक्युमेंट आशिल्ले आतां ऑफिशियल डॉक्युमेंट हातीन मेळ्ळे आमकां आनी ते ऑफिशियल डॉक्युमेंट पळोवन हांव तुमकां एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स सांगता की ते सगळे एप्लिकेशन घायले ते परमिशन मागपाक सगळे फ्रॉड आनी फ्रॉड म्हणल्यार कितें आमच्या फ्रॉड उतरांनी म्हणना आनी तूं प्रूफूय दाखयता. 2015 ते ओनरान हो प्लॉट 2 प्लॉट आशिल्ले 2 प्लॉट विकले. एक सेल डीड म्हणला आनी एक डीड ऑफ कन्वेयन्स. ते प्रमाणे फूल प्लॉट विकून गेलो. ते सेल डीड रजिस्टर्ड आसा. हांव तुमकां शेअर करतलो तुमगे वॉट्सॅपाचेर लिंक धाडटलो. ते डॉक्युमेंट स्कॅन केला अपलोड केला सगळे डॉक्युमेंट मेळटले तुमकां. त्या डॉक्युमेंटा प्रमाणे ओनराचे सिग्नेचर आसा थिंगा आनी तुमी पळयात थिंगा ओनराचे सिग्नेचर एशले लांब सिग्नेचर ते आसा. तुमकां सगळे धाडटा दाखयता आनी फर्स्ट पेजीचेर पळयात तुमी तेगे एक सिग्नेचर एश कोन्न आहा. आतां एक पार्टी कोणी विकले ते प्लॉट ते कसलो रायट ना एप्लिकेशन करपाक. कसले एप्लिकेशन फकत पयले आशिल्ले जाल्यार करेक्शन करूं जाता. उपरांत तो कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स वा डेव्हलपमेंट परमिशन कांय मागूं जायना कित्याक दुसरो ओनर आयलो. कोण केलें तें आमकां खबर ना. पूण 2016 आयक सामकें आयकून घे 2015 सेल डीड जालें. 2016 एप्लिकेशन कायला पंचायतीक कन्स्ट्रक्शन रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन करूं जाय आनी सिग्नेचर आसा ती बोलते मनशाची सिग्नेचर. ही सिग्नेचर ओनराची न्ही. कोण सांगू जाता ती ओनराचे न्ही फकत ओनर आनी ओनर आयलो मेळ्ळो आमकां. ओनरान म्हाका कंप्लेंट दिल्या. आमी कंप्लेंट पुलीस स्टेशनार लॉज करतली. आतां आमी कंप्लेंट पासून पंचायतीन दितले हे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट लावन RTIन हाडले ते डॉक्युमेंट पंचायतीन पासून दितात आमी कंप्लेंट सांगपाक की फ्रॉड केली म्हण. सेल डीडाचे सिग्नेचर टॅली कर. तूं एक्सपर्ट नाका हैदराबादा धाडूंक नाका. सिग्नेचर सामको डिफरंट आसा. ते प्रमाणे तुमी रिवोक करपाचे FIR रजिस्टर करपाचे पुलिसीक FIR रजिस्टर करपाचे आनी प्रोसिक्यूट करपाचे. सेक्शन आमी लायल्या थिंगा 465 कित्याक फॉर्जरी. 471 कित्याक ते डॉक्युमेंट पळोवन ते फॉर्जरी म्हणून ते डॉक्युमेंट यूज केले आनी 419 इम्पर्सनेशन चीटिंग बाय इम्पर्सनेशन आनी सेक्शन 420 चीटिंग. सो आमी हे सेक्शन लायल्यार विथ सेक्शन 34 कितले आहात ते आमी नेणार आणि फकत एक नदर मारलो जाल्यार बेश्ट आहे. इतले एक्सपर्ट कोणागे नाका, कोण शिकलो ना जाल्यार पासून ते पडटा हे आनी हे सिग्नेचर टॅली जायना. हे प्रमाणे एक पाटी हो एप्लिकेशन मुडार गेलो जाल्यार तुगे सगळे कन्स्ट्रक्शन लायसन्स, डेव्हलपमेंट परमिशन, CRZ परमिशन हुंयचे तेगे नांवान गेले जाल्यार ते पडटले. ते आमी पासून कॉपी मार्क केले चीफ टाउन प्लॅनरा, CRZ आनी ASI पासून सांगून तेंका हे सिग्नेचरा जे केले जाल्यार आमच्या नांवान केले जाल्यार ते मातशे तुमी सगळे कायद्या प्रमाणे रिवोक कर. देखून ही व्हडली ब्रेक थ्रू कित्याक हांव सांगता, थोडे पाटी कायद्यांनी हे टेक्निकल जाता, बसना हो लायनी भितर येता, लायनी भितर वयता, भायर वयता, ते मागीर सगळे दुसरे जाता. पूण हो मुडाचो फ्रॉड आहा तेन्ना आमगे एक लीगल फेज आहा. फ्रॉड विशिएट्स एवरी एक्शन. म्हणल्यार फ्रॉडा प्रमाणे सगळे फुडें जालें तें वयता. सो आतां आमी फुडें घेतले, आमची पार्टी पासून फुडें घेतले, चोवपा ते जस्टीस जातली म्हूण आनी ती बिल्डींग डिमॉलिश जातली. हांव तुमकां ही कॉपी तुमकां शेअर करतलो. सगळे कंप्लेंट आसात टू द पुलीस, डॉक्युमेंट आसात, सगळे डॉक्युमेंट म्हणल्यार ते आहात थिंगा, आनी कंप्लेंट टू द पंचायत, ती आमी सेपरेट कंप्लेंट दिली. कित्याक पंचायत हॅज नो पावर टू रजिस्टर FIR. पंचायत कॅन ओनली इश्यू नोटीस एंड डिमॉलिश. आमी पंचायतीन आमकां कितको खबर आयली, पंचायतीन नोटीस ओनराक धाडली सांगपा तुवें वायोलेट केल्या कंडिशन ऑफ ASI, कंडिशन ऑफ टाउन प्लॅनिंग. आनी आमी शॉक जाले, ओनराक शॉक जाले. तो आयलो कुशोर आनी सांगलें हांव ना केसो परमिशन, कित्याक हांवें केसो परमिशन अप्लाय केलें. सो हांव रिप्लाय केल्ले पंचायतीक सांगपा आमकां खबर ना कितें तूं म्हणटा, तूं डॉक्युमेंट लायले, तूं सांगता ते रिफर केले ते मातशे कॉपी दी आमकां, आमी पळोवन मागीर चोयतले. म्हूण तूं जाणा पंचायत टायम घेता रिप्लाय करपाक, रेजोल्युशन घेवपाक. आमी अंडर RTI मागलो. RTI मागून हो डॉक्युमेंट आयलो हातीन, आनी हो डॉक्युमेंट दाखयता तो फ्रॉड म्हणून. आनी चोयतो एड्रेस कितें दाखयता ओनराचो, दोगांचो दोन जाणांचे सिग्नेचर दाखयता, दोन जाणांचे नांव दाखयता, सिग्नेचर एकल्याचो. आनी आमी दोगांयनी म्हणलो दोनी ओनरान कंप्लेंट केला सांगपा तेगे सिग्नेचर न्ही जे मारिया द गोवेपीन आनी दुसरी लिझेट आब्रियो द गोवेपीन तेगे भयण ती. दोगांयची कंप्लेंट ती सांगपा हे आमचे सिग्नेचर न्ही. सो हेजेर सामको रेस्ट जाता की ही सगळे फ्रॉड करून. आनी आमी नेणार कितको सरकारान हें चोयन आसतना हें अप्रूव केलां. So what I want to say here is, this is a great fraud which has been played upon the government, upon the panchayat. I have to have a feeling to believe that it will be in active connivance with the government machinery, because the manner in which the permissions were granted are all questionable. But finally, if you go back and see, anything rooted in fraud, every action is vitiated. I thank every person in Goa, everyone who has come, stood there, continued there, not only prayed and fasted, but had rallies and meetings. So I give credit to everybody who has come there, and we will take this to a logical conclusion and make sure that this structure gets demolished. Thank you.
Any questions?
तुम्ही म्हणता हे सगळे प्रोसिजर ओल्ड ओरिजिनल लँड नावान केल्या पण तिच्यात
Sale date 2015 2016 एप्लिकेशन केलं. कोणे करून जाता न्यू ओनरान कोणाच्या नावान केले ओल्ड
आणि परमिशन
आणि परमिशन त्याक दिले ओल्ड ओनर दिले. The panchayat can answer that question. I cannot answer, but that's why I said whether it is in connivance with or not in connivance with, because if you just look at the signature, look at his signature on the sale deed. It's such a long sale deed, long signature. The short signature is down here.
मागे रात्री बघण्याचा ओनर कोण
हांव कित्याक बांगलोचे ओनर आमी पळोवपाक वचना.
परमिशन कोणाक ओल्ड
ओनर आमकां दिला म्हळ्यार ओल्ड ओनरा दिला कळ्ळें न्ही. ओल्ड ओनरा दिवन कन्स्ट्रक्शन बांद केलो.
But that document of that society is not given to the panchayat while giving
It
the
is given.
permission.
It is there.
That time they have not verified.
It is written here. I am enclosing following documents. Ownership documents. Form 1 and 14. Now whether this ownership document is the previous Portuguese documents or whether sale deed, I can't tell you.
Kaniswap, you're going to go to the police station
Yes.
and file a complaint. Will the complaint be made against unknown people, or will it be a specific complaint with regards to the people who have made?
If you can
Right.
help me to tell me whose signature this is, I will name the person. But if you can't, then as a responsible
Because
lawyer,
you are
it's
saying-
it's not appropriate for me to say. Even my client is not sure whose signature this is. You
No,
understand?
because you have said active connivance with government machinery.
Yeah.
Will you name the government departments in your complaint? Is my question.
See,
Specific question.
we have complaint against everyone who processes the file. You understand it? Every department, every run would check a file. Every document would be checked. You understand it? And if you have made false statements, you know the consequences of it. Whether the false statement was made simpliciter by the applicant or in connivance with them, that will be investigation will reveal.
No, in the police complaint, which government departments are named?
I
Is
have
my
not named
question.
any government department.
One. And second thing, you said you're going to approach the High Court. What are you going to approach?
No,
the
no,
High
I'm
Court
not
at this
approaching the High Court. I didn't use this word. You're putting words in my mouth. I didn't say I'm approaching the High Court. We will follow due process of law. Because unless you first approach the panchayat and get it demolished, unless you first approach the court and get the police station and get an FIR registered, if the police does not register FIR, then we will have to move under 156(3) to the magistrate to get an FIR registered. If the panchayat does not act on this basis, there are remedies available in the statute as well as we can approach the High Court depending on what action we have to take. Sometimes a mockery is made of issuing a notice, but then finally that notice is totally irrelevant and just a facade to pretend that some action is being taken. So if that is being done in that manner, then we will know how to get it rectified, if necessary by approaching the High Court. Remember one thing, every ill cannot have a panacea at the door of the High Court. Because in the statute gives you a procedure and a provision, the court will say you go there first, why are you coming here? So,
That owner has, after getting the notice from the panchayat, has he replied to that notice? to
Yes.
the panchayat?
the reply also has been given by saying, I don't know what you are referring to. Please give me these documents, I want to see it. Nothing in your notice should be deemed to be accepted or admitted. Even that reply to the panchayat, though we have not annexed it here, I will also just now in 2 minutes have it uploaded in that same folder which I am sharing with you, which has also the seal of the panchayat showing it was received on 9th of December.
So have you made a complaint to the panchayat?
That is the second one. The complaint is being made because we just got the documents the day yesterday night.
Now it will be made.
Yesterday I finalized it and today we are
Yes,
presenting.
Don't you think the original owner should file the FIR?
He is the one.
No, but are you filing on their behalf
I am.
or as a party?
I am. This is on the original
We are
owners.
taking the lead.
No, they should file, no original
Yeah,
owner.
but we are taking the lead.
They are signing the complaints. Please understand.
No,
That's why I said no third person could have known it. No third person can file FIR. Someone cannot get up even from north or south of Goa and say this is not. It could have been done if we had known these kind of facts by saying this is not the signature by a naked eye. I'm telling you this also. But the confirmation can come only from a person who says it is not my signature.
So they should file.
And they are filing. And we are helping them.
Whose fingerprints are those on the
On the
copy
sale deed
of
are the owners. There is no dispute about the fingerprints of the owner.
So another one you showed about the for signatures. No?
There is no fingerprint on that.
On
That is the application for this thing. There is no fingerprint on that.
on
No, that is sale deed rectification deed because in the registrar's office you have to take thumb impressions. for your fingerprint.
Are you making a charge as Shida entry for a document?
Can I say that? Did I say it? Or
No,
you
are
asking?
you making a charge?
How can
I'm
I?
asking.
See, I'll tell you one thing. My experience as a lawyer. As a lawyer, I will tell you one thing. We have handled matters and we have seen matters of forgery. There are two parts in forgery. That is why I have taken care here to see that the complaint is drafted so that it doesn't collapse. You may take it for example that a particular person wants a document which will be done by forgery. He doesn't forge it. Our normal notion is he is using it, therefore he has forged it. Please understand it. Someone else may have forged it. So I can't say who forged it. But I am saying whoever used it, that is 471, knowing it is a forgery. Now who has used it? I can't say A, B or C has used it. The investigations will say who has used it. And therefore, for using a document which is forged, knowing it to be forged, that will be action against that person. Now I can't tell you whether it's A, B or C. Please don't assume it. And my client also doesn't want to assume it. Nor can anyone of us say it.
Doctor, when are you filing this complaint?
Now, as soon as the press conference
And are they
is over,
accompanying the original owner?
they have full faith and confidence in me, and I don't think there's requirement of them just going. When they are summoned by the police, they will appear. They will give their specimen signatures.
Now you get to the police station.
They have to be there, na? They have to be there,
Not
na?
necessary. Not necessary. You can even send a complaint by email, you know that.
Tomorrow-
Even a telephonic call can also register a complaint, you know this. But in this, it will be a documented proof.
जर आता पंचायतीन सध्या लायसन हे केला रिवोक केला किती
Today there was a meeting.
या
I don't know what decision Panchayat has taken. I know that they had issued the show cause notice. I will tell you one thing now, for example, I am just looking at it in another perspective. Notice is issued to my clients, that is this original old owners. We have said there, we don't know what are these documents you are referring. Please give us a copy and then let us give a reply. We have not got it, but they revoked it. Now what do you think will happen? Ordinarily they could challenge it by saying you passed an order without giving me. But we are not going to challenge that order if they have revoked, because we are not aggrieved by it. You understanding what I am saying? We are not interested. But we have to make it put on record, we have to make it clear that we are not involved in this matter. You understand? And this is no. So this is what the complaint will be. I will circulate this on WhatsApp, the link, whoever I got in the groups with me. Okay, I will send it to Mr. Amarnath Kanjikar, our chairman of our media team, he will testing. And you all will get everything. The whole folder will contain a copy of the complaint. You can take it from me. That right now this complaint, even I will not go to the police station. I will send someone there and I will have it certified.
You get old Goa police station.
It has to go to the and it has to go to the panchayat.
Jurisdiction is there.
Jurisdiction will be there because the document is submitted in the police station in the old Goa panchayat.
Have you named any suspects in the complaint?
No, we have said unknown person. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Over the